before she was like,
Lily can't get me. You can't get me, Lily.
no.
Lily.
No.
Lily.
No.
Lily, try to get me.
No.
Lily,
I want you to do that to Jackie.
You touch me, I swear to God. I swear to God. I swear to God. I swear to God. Oh no.
Don't do it, Lily. Lily. Right there, Lily. I went like that. Lily, don't.
Take the camera. Hold on.
Don't punch me. Does it hurt?
Lily.
That was a wind hit.
I can pick you up.
Wind.
How?
Wind.
Like that?
Jackie. Jackie.
Oh my God, what are you doing?
Piggyback.
Ready? Oh my
Do
God.
that again.
Wind. Wind. Do you really want to piggyback? Yeah. Wind.
I got
Wind.
lazy.
Oh my God.
Oh.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Wind. You're a wimp, Sean.
No, Shawnee's strong. Sean picked me up.
What are you doing?
Pick me up. Can do that thing again.
What am I doing?
Swing her around. Jack dropper.
Over here. Do it. Sean, do it again.
Hold on.
Oh my God.
Sean!
Oh no, go over there.
My glasses just fell. Ash, I think my glasses just fell on the ground right there.
Oh, that's cool.
Don't play me again.
Come here, Lily.
Play again?
What?
Go.
Lily, what were you doing before?
Lily! Lily, watch this. Oh, Lily. Lily, stop. Lily, I could put you down like 3. Lily.
Sean, you be nice to girls.
Get to her, be a girl. And she rushed away now.
Oh, she did that every time. Like every 1 minute. Lily! Lily!
I'm gonna go tell her mom now and then.
Oh, is she gonna go tell her mommy?
And we have it on video. And we have it on video.
It's on Zoom, so you guys all look weird.
Yes, she is.
What?
She is.
Telling her mommy?
You guys have that on video.
Come on. I'm trying to catch you. Ew, what is that?
A booger.
Chapstick.
It smells bad.
Who I pepper that chapstick for this?
Come on, I want to go down the street. Woo! Oh, car!
This is. Hey, Ashley, swing the camera at me.
Come on, let's run down the street and get Lily. Yes, we're getting Lily. Britt, come on.
She's right there.
Lily!
I have to tell Sean something.
No. Ow, don't hit me.